Check out this hot dog sandwich. This may be the easiest hot dog sandwich recipe you have ever seen. Now, you can use ciabatta bread or some fancy bread if you want, but sandwich bread works fine for me. We're going to take our hot dogs. These are inexpensive hot dogs, by the way. We're going to take the hot dogs and we're going to slice them in half so that the inside of the hot dog is exposed to the heat. Notice how I slice the ends of the hot dog all the way through, and then I make a slice about halfway through the center of the hot dog. Splitting the hot dog in half like this allows us to put the inside of the hot dog directly on the grill or griddle. This allows the fat that's inside the hot dog to come in direct contact with the heat, and that causes it to melt and caramelize, bumping up the flavor of our inexpensive hot dogs. While our sandwich bread is toasting, we're going to mix a little butter and some garlic salt. Now, you can use garlic powder if you want. Just remember, a little bit goes a long way. You should probably taste it before you add too much. Once you're satisfied that the hot dogs are ready to go, add some of the garlic butter to one side of the bread. Then you can add some cheese, whatever kind you like. We're going to use Kraft American Singles simulated cheese. Then you can give it another minute or so to make sure that the cheese is melted and the toast is nice and crispy on the outside. We'll put the hamburger press back on to smush everything down so that we wind up with, essentially, a hot dog grilled cheese sandwich. Well, there you go, folks. Now you know how to make a delicious hot dog grilled cheese sandwich.